Welcome to my channel, you guys, where every dish is nutrition rich, where I try to balance each and every meal. Today we are making tofu Manchurian appe or tofu veggie balls. In a hand grinder, I am taking half capsicum, half carrot and equal amount of cabbage. You can also shred it all with hand. The veggies in this dish will not only add lots of vitamins and lots of taste, but also lots of fiber. Now pull to shred and then keep it on a side. Now in a mixing bowl, take around 100 to 150 grams of tofu. Tofu is great source of protein with all the essential amino acids, making it the best protein source for vegetarians. Crush it with a fork. Do not blend it, it will become liquid. If you buy calcium set tofu, it will add around 300 mg of calcium to this dish. Now add our minced veggies, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for calcium and iron, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, opt for the low sodium variety, add 1 spoon of rice flour and 1 spoon of white flour. Mix it all together. Make sure the mixture is not runny or you will have soggy appes, especially in kids' tiffins. You could keep this mixture in the fridge overnight for kids' tiffin the next day. Now here I have heated my appe plate, added some oil. Sesame oil tastes best with this dish. I have made balls out of the mixture and I'm placing them in the plate. If you do not have this appe plate, you could deep fry them or make mini uttapams as well. Cook till they are nice and golden brown on both the sides. The mixture we have created will give us around 10 to 12 appe balls, so adjust the proportions if you want more. So this is how I've served them to my 3-year-old. You can serve with Szechuan sauce or chili garlic sauce. For more nutrition rich and protein dense recipes, do check out my YouTube channel. Bye!